Begin with clean hands and a gentle cleanser, massaging in soft circles from the center of your face outward, paying special attention to your T-zone before rinsing with cool water and patting your skin dry. Next, choose your exfoliation, a soothing sugar and honey scrub, a brightening rose water tonic, or a warm washcloth, applying gently for just a minute before rinsing away. Then, embrace the chill. Wrap an ice cube in a cloth and glide it across your forehead, over your cheeks, along your jawline, and lightly around your eyes and lips to awaken your glow. Follow with a quick, skin-specific mask, the golden yogurt and turmeric, a hydrating honey and avocado blend, or a clarifying aloe and tea tree gel, letting it work its magic briefly before rinsing. Now, mist your face with rose water, let it settle, then warm a pea-sized drop of moisturizer between your palms and press it lovingly into your skin. Complete the ritual with a final ice roll under your eyes. For an extra glow, treat yourself to a facial massage with upward strokes and gently exfoliate your lips before sealing in softness. Remember to start with a clean slate, tie back your hair, create a calming space, and always finish cool. Keep kitchen glow heroes like aloe, cucumber, and green tea close by. If you're adding makeup, blend in illuminator, swipe on cream blush, and set with a dewy mist. Steer clear of hot water, harsh scrubs, and rubbing your eyes. For lasting radiance, cherish simple daily habits: a morning splash, serum, and sunscreen, an evening cleanse and hydration. Sip on warm lemon water, cucumber infusion, or green tea after your routine. And on rushed days, just cleanse, ice, mist, moisturize, and massage. Store your tools in the fridge, use filtered water, patch test new ingredients, and be consistent. Now here's your final secret. Smile. A genuine smile brings a natural flush, brightens your eyes, and lets your inner light shine through. True glow begins with happy, healthy habits